the other one.
Tell me what you're doing, Bray.
What?
You're trying to drill a big. You're trying to drill a bigger hole.
Check it out.
There's already a hole in the board. All right, this is a nice
this
trick.
is the way
I
to
like
do
this.
it right here. I'll tell you.
I like this. Dang, dude, what a nice shirt you got on today.
That's what I do.
Must be the boss today.
He's the married one.
Oh boy, looks like we're going to a 2-minute TikTok now. Here we go. Let's see if it works. Oh, just like I thought. Hell yeah.
You don't even need to block it anymore.